In our recent video of Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, we talked about the renders and what Google has hinted us out. But today we have the first live hands-on look of the beauty itself. Someone was seen with the device in Taiwan today and it got clicked. The photo shows the device from rear side, and we already know there is a huge camera bump on Pixel 9 Pro Fold, but this case hides it all. It's official Google case with G logo on it. That cutout on the right side is for power and volume buttons. The case on this phone seems like thick one, otherwise there have been no other way to make that camera bump look so hidden, as it's actually a huge bump we have seen in the official trailer video from Google and in renders too. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is comparatively slimmer than its predecessor. Talking about the other stuff of the phone, it's having Sony IMX787 sensor, which is 48 megapixel resolutions with OIS, and it's the main sensor of the phone, and it's same as of Pixel Fold. The ultra-wide camera is from Samsung, which is 3LU sensor, and it's a 12 megapixel resolution, which is a bit of improvement from Pixel Fold's camera. The telephoto sensor is also same as of Pixel Fold. It's Samsung's 3J1 10.5 megapixel camera. Basically, this camera module is housing total of 3 camera sensors. And talking about the displays, then the main screen, which is foldable screen, is of 8 inches, while the cover screen is expected to be 6.3 inches. And let me tell you guys that this Pixel Fold is wider and taller than the previous Pixel Fold. Biggest upgrade here in this Fold is less crease, which is produced due to folding hinge. We have seen on first Pixel Fold, when unfolded, it left a very apparent crease because of folding and unfolding again and again. But here on Pixel 9 Pro Fold, it's way lesser and phone goes to complete 180 degrees, making it total flat when unfolded and leaving no line or ridge on the main screen, which is a very huge improvement. Phone is packing up 4560 milliamps of battery, a little improvement from last Pixel Fold. Pixel 9 Pro Fold will have 16 GB of RAM and 33 watts of wired fast charging and 23 watts of wireless charging. The whole series of Google Pixel 9 is going official on 13th of August, as Google itself has teased it on their official YouTube channels. And that's all for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.